Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix Intent Resolver Keeps Stopping problem and guide you through the step-by-step process to solve it easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. In the menu, scroll down until you see the Apps option and tap on it to open the full apps list. Step 2. From the Apps menu, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Android System Webview and then tap on the correct result when it appears. Step 3. Now scroll down and find the Storage option, then tap on it. You'll see two buttons here, one for clearing cache and one for clearing data. Go ahead and tap on both to clear them. Step 4. After that, go back to the previous screen by tapping the back arrow. Then locate the Force Stop option. Tap on it, and when the confirmation pop-up appears, confirm the action to stop the app. Step 5. Next, you'll see the Disable option on the same screen. Tap on it, confirm the warning message, and once it's disabled, tap again to enable it right back. This refreshes the app's performance. Step 6. Now return to the main apps menu. Again, use the search bar at the top and type in Google Play Services. When it appears in the results, tap to open its settings. Step 7. Once you're in the Google Play Services screen, scroll down and tap on the Storage option. Now, just like before, tap on both Clear Cache and Clear Data to reset temporary and stored files. Step 8. After you've cleared Google Play Services, go back to the main settings home screen. At the top, tap the search icon and type in Reset All Settings, then select it from the suggestions. Step 9. Now, tap on the Reset Settings button on the screen. You'll be asked to enter your device password or PIN. Once you do that, confirm the reset option again. Your phone will automatically restart, and this should fix Intent Resolver Keeps Stopping problem. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.